People always say health is wealth. So I have done this test. This is a circle DNA test. And this is a very expensive investment, I would say, because this cost me $899, and because recently they have this promotion. So me and my husband needed this test to prevent any health risk. And of course, I'm more concerned about my diet plans, whether is my diet suitable for my body type. This test includes 500 plus reports, which includes diet reports, cancer screening, common health risks, family planning, nutrition, dementia and brain health, sports and fitness, stress, sleep, skin reports, personality traits, behavior traits, gender traits, well-being, pollution, music and dance. So I'm really excited to try out this, and later on I will be unboxing this with you guys, and I'll be doing the test itself. So this is part 1 of this video. Part 2 will be me getting the result, which is at least I think 3 weeks from now. This is a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored for this video and I do not represent this company. I bought this with my own money. Yeah, I feel that it's just an awareness or just a information video for you guys. If you guys are planning to do this test, probably my video can convince you to do so. So right now I will do the test. So this is the swab. Doesn't look like art kit. You're supposed to rub inside the cheek for 10 times each side. Use this tube to dunk in the swab, just like that, and so break off this part here, this part, oops, okay. Close the cap back and shake 10 times to cover the swab tip. So shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So inside the packaging, the DNA collection kit, there is a Ziploc bag, so you can just put this test tube inside this and then mail it. So there is this mesh inside, there's a cloth inside, so they say not to remove it. Seal it back, mail it and wait for the result for in 3 weeks time. So it says here that this bag is supposed to put it back inside the box, the DNA collection kit box. So they do provide this for us to mail it back to them. So the lab is in Hong Kong. So we will see the result in 3 weeks time.